Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tau Daily video update for Tuesday the 6th of August 2024. So the S&P is down almost 10% from the all-time high. It's down like 9.7%. So almost in correction territory. The Nasdaq has fallen, pulled back a little bit further than that. The Nasdaq's down sort of 13 point something percent, and it's had a bounce off the 200-day moving average. So we've got a bit of a test happening here. Now, here are some things to keep an eye out for. Keep an eye on the ES futures. So that's ES1 exclamation mark in TradingView. What we've got brewing here at the moment is an inside bar. Now I want to see whether price can take out either Monday's high or Monday's low. All right, that will be the next clue as to the future direction. I'm sort of expecting a bounce from here. We're a little bit stretched to the downside, a little bit oversold. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do take out the high, and that will give us some short-term direction. A couple of other things to keep an eye on here, just to kind of get some sense that the market is forming at least a short-term low. One is I want to see some green on the sector tracker. This is just sectorspdrs.com/sector tracker. Gives you a snapshot of, you can choose 1 day, 5 day, 1 month movement. Look at the 1 day movement. We want to see some green and red here. Now, I think things like semiconductor, things like technology and consumer discretionary are likely to continue to bleed lower, but we'd like to see some of these start to turn green, maybe consumer staples, utilities, real estate, maybe in financials. All right, but we don't want to see red every day. A couple of other important charts to keep an eye on. One is dollar yen. This thing is kind of been the cause of all, or one of the major causes of all of this ruction. If you don't know why, check out my video yesterday. This is really, really stretched to the downside. Okay, so I am expecting it to bounce, but if we see dollar yen start to form a base and bounce, that will probably give equity markets the impetus to do the same. And of course, the Nikkei as well. There was a wrong code. Nikkei 225 futures, that's the one. There's a lot of euphoria today, earlier on, with this index bouncing 9%. But again, it was an inside day. So we need to see the Nikkei either break above Monday's high or below Monday's low. All right, that will kind of give us the next clue for short-term direction. Inside day, it doesn't tell us anything. I mean, a 9% rally feels good, but after a 25% drop in a matter of less than a month, a rally of some magnitude was expected. So there are three things to look at. Nikkei futures, dollar yen, keep an eye on the ES futures, and just keep an eye on the SPDR sector tracker as well. And if we start to see some encouraging signs on them, maybe we've got a tradable bounce to the upside coming. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.